Hi, I'm Susan Rutledge, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Shape Builder tool to remove part of an object's fill and still keep what appears to be the stroke around the area that you've removed. Now, first of all, I'm going to get the star tool and we'll drag out a star on the artboard, and then I'll get the selection tool, keyboard shortcut V, and I'm going to hold down my option key and I'll make a copy, and then I'm going to reduce the size of the copy. So I'll come up to Object, Transform, Scale, and I'm going to scale the star to 98%, make sure Uniform is checked, and say OK. I'm going to change the color of this copy because I'm going to put it on top of the green star, and if it's the same color you won't be able to see it. And we'll just stack these stars. I'll select them both and come over to the Properties panel, and I'm going to click on Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center just to make sure they're perfectly aligned. Next, I'm going to get the Rectangle tool, keyboard shortcut M, and I'll draw out a rectangle that intersects in the center of the star. Now notice that none of these objects have a stroke. I'll select all three of the objects and get the Shape Builder tool, keyboard shortcut Shift M, and I'm going to hold down the Option key, Alt if you're using a PC, and I'll run my cursor over the part of the rectangle that I don't want, and then I'm going to come over and I'm going to remove the upper star that we created that is the smaller of the two stars, and that's all I'm going to delete with the Shape Builder tool. Now I'll get the Selection tool, keyboard shortcut V, and click on the artboard to deselect these objects. It doesn't really look like what I described to you, but I've got to remove a couple of layers. So the first layer is the remnant of the rectangle. So I'll drag it away and press the delete key. And next I'm going to remove the rest of that star that we created that was smaller than the original one and delete it. And what we're left with is a single object that is filled on one side. The fill has been removed on the opposite side, but it does appear that there is a stroke remaining. And that is how you can create one single object and remove part of the fill, but have that shape remaining. I hope this is helpful to the person that asked the question, and to the rest of you, have fun with that Shape Builder tool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and send me your questions. I'll try to answer them for you. Bye now.